What if I told you that this little card could help you travel for free, build your wealth, and even boost your financial future? Grab your popcorn, sit back, and let us show you how, all in under 3 minutes. First things first, what is a credit card? A credit card is essentially a small card made out of plastic or metal that lets you borrow money from a bank or credit company to make purchases. Think of it as a short-term loan in your pocket. You can use it to buy stuff online, in stores, or even pay bills. But here's the catch, you must pay that money back. Every month, you'll get a bill called a statement, showing what you spent. If you pay the full amount on time, which we always recommend, there is no extra cost. But if you don't, the company charges interest, which is like a fee for borrowing. Getting a credit card is pretty simple. First, you need to apply for one. Most companies check your credit score, which is a number that shows how good you are at handling money. This is extremely important in the approval process. Be sure to check out our in-depth video on how to build your score on our page. There are some cards that do not require a score, but those usually require a hefty deposit or offer little to no reward. When choosing a card, make sure you look at the interest rate, perks and rewards like cashback or reward points, and some cards even give travel miles or discounts. Now the real question is, how do you use it wisely? Here are 3 simple steps. Step 1, only spend what you can afford to pay back. Step 2, pay your bill on time every month. And step 3, avoid maxing out your card, which means spending all your credit limit at once. These 3 steps will optimize your credit card capabilities. The benefits of using a credit card to pay for things over a debit card or cash are amazing. Not only do you get cash back, but using a credit card responsibly helps you build your credit score, which can make it easier to get loans, rent an apartment, or even snag better interest rates in the future. It truly is a powerful tool when used wisely. And there you have it. This was credit cards made super simple. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Finance Frog, and let us know in the comments what topic we should leap into next. To see which credit card is the best card to start with, check out the video above. Other than that, we'll see you in the next one. Remember to always save smart and invest smarter.